This is the cutest drawstring bag you will ever make, and it's actually a pretty easy tutorial too. To start with, you want to sew the two pouch pieces together with right sides together. Then you want to turn the pouch to the right side. Now we want to start to get the ears ready. Apply interfacing to two of the bunny ears. Now you want to sew the pairs of bunny ears together with right sides together, so around the perimeter of the two sets of ears. Then you want to turn the ears to the right side. Make sure to clip the curve, especially around the tip of the ear, to make sure you get a neater finish when you turn it. Now you want to fold the bunny ears and baste the ends. So fold both sides of the bunny ears over to create a three-dimensional shape. Now you want to baste your two ears to the top of the bunny pouch. Now we want to get the drawstring casing pieces ready. Both these pieces make a narrow hem on both sides. Sew both of the drawstring casing pieces to the upper edge of the bag. Then press the casing up and away from the bag. Now you want to fold the casing over on the inside and stitch it. You can ditch stitch or edge stitch depending on what you're more comfortable with. Now all you have to do is insert the drawstring through the casing. You want to make sure you insert two pieces of the string through the casing, and each piece should go all the way around through both casings. And that's it. You've already finished your cute bunny mini drawstring bag.